Replacing the speaker for i-Kiosk 100. Unscrew the 3 screws at the back of the i-Kiosk 100 by using a screwdriver. Remove the back cover. Unplug the connector for antenna, speaker, LED, and keypad PCB from the main controller unit. Remove the core board from the main controller unit. Unscrew the 2 screws at the speaker. Replace the speaker with a new one. Tighten the 2 screws to hold the speaker firmly. Plug in the keypad PCB to the main controller unit. Attach the core board firmly onto the main controller unit. Plug in the LED, speaker, and antenna cable back to the main controller unit. Place the back cover back to its original position. Tighten the 3 screws. Plug in the power connector. And turn on the terminal to test it. FingerTec, we make things easy.